दवर्ले मडगांव रावपी लिस्टनान संतोष ट्रॉफीत गोंयकारांक आपलो टॅलंट दाखयलो. बऱ्यापैकी बॉल कंट्रोल करून फिनिशिंग करून लोकांची तोखणाय मेळयली.
My experience at Santosh Trophy helped me to grow up very well. And I played under the coach Matthew, and he taught me the best. So, as a striker, my responsibility was to score goals, and I think I have done it.
आता हो साळगांवकार एफसीचो फॉरवर्ड अंडर 18 आय लिगांत पेजात खेळ करून क्लबाक ट्रॉफी हाडपा खातीर कश्ट करता.
We have qualified for under 18 I League, which will be held in Kolkata. We are preparing to give our best, and I think we can do it and bring the trophy of I League back to Goa, to Salonkas. That's how we are practicing this year.
येता त्या ISLात एफसी गोवाक खेळूंक मेळत जाल्यार खोशी जातली अशें लिस्टन म्हणटा.
My future aim is to develop more as a professional player, and at upcoming ISL, my aim is to play for ISL, and if I get a chance, I think I should go for my state FC Goa. I would love to play for them.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस.